Da, 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 da.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day.
Look who finally showed. All the way from Lagos. Makamba. How are you? Looking great. Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
A pretty brown girl, her space. You can keep your winner. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break?
Hi guys. So it's time to say goodbye to DXB. I know I'm sad. I really wish I could extend my trip by like 3-4 days more, to be honest. Well, it's time to go. It's time to get back to real life. Holiday's over. I enjoyed myself in this city. This city is everything I expected it to be and 1,000 times more. I enjoyed my holidays so much. I loved it here. A lovely, beautiful experience, a lovely, beautiful holiday. In fact, I needed this and I need more. Well, yeah, it's time to say goodbye, guys. We're on our way to the airport. We just put all our stuff in the taxi over there. Yeah, we're ready to leave. We're really early. Check-in starts at literally 8 a.m. and it's not even 8 a.m. yet, so we're actually doing well. We're early. I'll probably show you guys one final look of the city on my way to the airport, and yeah, let's go.
I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone. I don't understand why you're
See airport feet now. With a Louis Vuitton handbag, be whatever it is that you bought. Perfume. Guys, back. Your girl is back to Nigeria, and as usual, I'm already stressed because immigration and what do you call it now? Apparently, babe, do you know, we didn't even know, to travel to Nigeria from any part of the world right now, there's a particular form you have to fill online before you travel. It's called like a permit to travel, and we didn't even know until we got to the airport. Yes, I can't wait to see my baby. God, I've missed her so much. But I miss my bobo. I miss my bobo. No beast. I miss my bobo. Before I think it was only like how long, but I missed you still. But I had a blast. I had fun. I had a beautiful holiday. So, but I'm tired. I need like 2 days to sleep. Are you serious?
I'm going to pick Mommy.
Oh, my child.
Daddy, where are you going, Daddy? I'm going to pick Mommy. Mommy's coming back. Can I see Mommy now?
Oh, my baby. I've missed her so much. I knew you were going to miss me, but not this much.
No, today was really
Today's
bad.
one was bad.
Yesterday, what that happened yesterday was when she woke up, the first thing that she sleep in her eyes.
Yeah.
She said, where's my mommy?
Oh, my baby. She probably saw me in her dreams. We're back, oh. We're back, oh. I'm stressed. As usual, because nothing in Nigeria is ever straightforward. They're already stressing me out. I've not even left the airport. I'm still in the airport. And oh God, what are you driving? Hey God, Nigeria. Oh. Let me go home and go and see my princess girl. It's me.
Enjoyment mama. Enjoyment mama is back.
Was she sleeping?
We miss you. We miss you. Enjoyment mama.
Oh, she just
She
woke
no
up.
wonder she's sleeping.
Yes.
Mama,
Mommy, where are you going?
Mama,
See Mommy now.
I'm here now.
See your Mommy.
I'm here, baby. I'm here, my sugar. I miss you. Oh, I miss you, girl. I miss you, my baby.
Enjoyment mama.
Hi, baby. How are you? I miss you.
I was
Hi, guys. I'm back home. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Oh wow, it feels super good to be able to film again in my car because it's been a little while. It has been a little bit. How are you guys doing? Your girl is back to Naija. In fact, don't get me wrong, I'm super happy to be back to my loved ones, my family, and I miss them so much. My husband Mia, like my mom, my parents in general. Like I miss everyone so much. But I'm not happy to be back to this country, Nigeria as a country, because in fact it was while I was on holiday that we got to hear that there was fuel scarcity again in Abuja. I'm not sure if it's in other parts of Nigeria, but for Abuja I'm really sure. And just a lot. I came back to literally no electricity at all. It's been bad. The last couple of days I've been back now for like 3 days, and I'm just picking up my camera for the first time in 3 days because I've literally been sleeping away the last 3 days. To be honest, I have been in and out of sleep. So and I think another partial reason is because we weren't really doing much of sleeping in Dubai, to be honest. Me and my friends, we would just, you know, spend the whole day out, sometimes spend most of the nights out, because I mean these malls don't close till like God knows what time, and a lot of places in Dubai don't close till very late, sometimes wee hours of the morning. So we would find ourselves going back to the hotel like 2 a.m. ish, 3 a.m. ish. We'll still be gisting and then start sleeping around 4:30 a.m. and then by 8-9 we're already up and ready to begin the day. So we didn't get a lot of sleep while we were there, so which is why I think I have been sleeping away the last 3 days. Basically, I've not even left my house. I'm driving my car for the very first time in like 3 days since I got back. But yeah guys, it was a beautiful holiday. You guys saw it, you saw all the vlogs. If you didn't see the vlogs, or rather if you have not watched the vlogs, I don't know why you have not watched the vlogs, the travel vlogs, but please go watch if you haven't watched. But it was super interesting, super fun, a well-deserved holiday, a much anticipated, well-deserved, needed holiday. I needed that holiday, like my life depended on it, and I'm super happy that I was able to do that for myself. I missed you guys here on YouTube. You know, it's a different thing uploading videos from a different country and uploading it in your base country, so it's safe to say that I actually did miss you guys. And yeah, Mia missed the heck out of me. Like, my husband was telling me that Mia was asking of me every single day once she wakes up in the morning, where is my mommy? She couldn't understand why I was away from her for that long. Poor girl. But she's been so excited to have me back. She's been all over me since I came back. And yeah, it's just back to regular programming now, back to my regular life here in Abuja, Nigeria. And yeah guys, that's basically it. Just want to come and tell you guys that I'm officially back now. I want to quickly go into town and do a few things. Basically, I'm looking at my feet and I am in dire need of a pedicure. I actually wanted to get one done in Dubai, but I didn't have time, and I actually traveled to Dubai with horrible looking feet, so I need to go get my feet done and maybe run 1 or 2 errands, call it a day. But yeah, thank God I have fuel. My husband filled my tank. I filled my tank before I traveled, but I know he drove the car once or twice, so he filled the tank back up before I got back. Thank God I don't have to go and start looking for fuel, because it is absolute madness right now here in Nigeria, right here in Abuja. It's absolutely crazy. But anyway guys, that's holiday is over. It's back to reality now, and while we wait for the next one, whenever that's going to be, but fingers crossed, maybe still later this year, because I'm determined to, you know, make that part of my life a necessity, if you get what I mean, not a luxury. I feel like traveling is a necessity at this point. It is needed, it is healthy, it is just self-care. It's part of self-care, okay? But anyway guys, let me go out, and I will see and talk to you guys again very soon. All right, bye.
So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to